Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about MATLAB Aerospace Toolbox. That is getting started with MATLAB Aerospace Toolbox. Analyze and visualize aerospace vehicle motion using reference standards and models. First, introduction to Aerospace Toolbox. Analyze and visualize aerospace vehicle motion using reference standards and models. Here MATLAB Aerospace Toolbox provides tools and functions for analyzing the navigation and environment of aerospace vehicles and visualizing their flight using standard cockpit instruments or a flight simulator. Then it lets you import a data compendium, that is a datcom file, directly into MATLAB to represent vehicle aerodynamics and incorporate validated environmental models for atmosphere, gravity, wind, geoid height, and magnetic field. You can evaluate vehicle motion and orientation using MATLAB inbuilt, that is aerospace math operation and coordinate system, and spatial transformations are available by using MATLAB Aerospace Toolbox. You can evaluate, that is a vehicle motion and orientation. We can also visualize the vehicle in flight directly from MATLAB with standard cockpit instruments and using the pre-built, that is a pre-built flight gear flight simulator interface. Aerospace Toolbox provides a reference standards, environmental models, and aerodynamic coefficient inputting for performing advanced aerospace analysis to develop and evaluate your designs. Here also some options available to visualize your vehicle dynamics include a 6 degree of freedom. This is normally is the highest one. There is a 6 degree of freedom MATLAB animation object and interfaces to flight gear simulate flight simulator and 3D animation software. There is a Simulink 3D animation software. These options let you visualize flight data in a three-dimensional view and reconstruct behavior anomalies in flight test results. The Aerospace Toolbox product enable bringing United States Air Force, that is a USAF digital datcom files into your MATLAB environment by using this datcom import function. This is an important one MATLAB function, datcom import function. That is a app designer is available in Aerospace Toolbox. They called Aerospace Flight Instruments in app designer. This app shows how to display flight status information with standard cockpit instrumentation using Aerospace Toolbox flight instruments in app designer. Here you can create aerospace specific application in app designer using common aircraft flight instruments. In app designer is a rich development environment that provides layout and code views, a fully integrated version of MATLAB editor and a large set of integrated components. These are, if you want to see the example of this aerospace flight instrumentation app, you can find, you can use, you can type the of my example file in MATLAB command window. Run the above command by entering the MATLAB command window. For more information on app designer, you can see the develop apps using app designer in MATLAB. To use the flight instrument components in app designer, you must have a license in Aerospace Toolbox. For example, you take one simple example, aerospace flight instruments in app design. This example demonstrates the following app building tasks. Use a starter function, MATLAB starter function callback to load data from a file and create an animation project. There is a then second one, use aerospace flight instrument components to visualize flight status information. There is your airspeed indicator, artificial horizontal altimeter, turn coordinator, heading aid indicator, and climb indicator. There's so much options are available, so much instrument components are available in Aerospace Toolbox. Use the slider component value changing function, callback to set aerospace flight instrument component properties and interact with this animation project. For a simple flight instrument app, example that uses the app designer to create app to visualize saved flight data for a Piper PA24 cam. Use this workflow. Aerospace flight instruments in app design. Start app designer by typing the app designer in MATLAB command window. You can select the blank app on the getting started page and drag and drop the aerospace components from the component library to the app canvas. To load simulation data, add a startup function to add the app. Then you can create the animate project. For example, enter the callbacks functions and properties for the components to the app window. That is your aerospace flight instruments app. Also you can add associate code. Here you have to trigger the display of animation in the instrumentation app. Save and run the app. That is your to get the aerospace flight instruments in app designer. You type in MATLAB window, MATLAB command window, app designer. So you will get the window like this. Then here in this component library, just you drag and drop the components, that is your instruments in instrument available in component library. There is your aerospace library. To add the components to the blank canvas, in the component library, navigate to aerospace from library. What are the library is added for airspeed indicator, artificial horizon and EGT indicator, climb indicator, heading indicator, RPM indicator, so on. So then click code view. Here code view and design view options are available. Note that the properties and component initializations sections now contain definition for the new components. The code managed by app designer is non-editable. That is your option. Add code to load. First you have to add the code to load and visualize the data for this application. Here additional properties to the class for simulation data and the animation project. Here this is the you have to click the property. So you select in this one you select public property. In this new properties templates, add code so that it looks like this. This is your code you have to add. Then if you have to visualize your animation data, just you type the MATLAB function. To get the startup function section, add code to startup function that loads simulation data. For example, the simdata.mat file contains logged simulated flight trajectory data. Then second one, you have to trigger a display of the animation section. This is a command to get the display the current slider level. Then this is a command used to visualize your animation project. For example, after loading this, you have to get the animation data. These above workflows, these are the workflows assume that you have added a startup function to your app to load simulation data and create an animation project. Then add code to your close the animation window with UI figure window function. They add a close request function in this code view app. You have to add the callback function in the dialog box. From callback list also you have to calculate by using this close request function, MATLAB close request function. In the name parameter, enter a name for close function. For example, flight instruments. For flight data playback, UI figure close request. The above close assumes that you are ready to define close function for the flight instruments, flight data playback UI figure window. Then finally you have to save and run the design, that is a flight instrument components. Save the app with the file name. For example, you give any file name. My flight instrument example is my file name. Here after that, in this app you have to click run. Then by using command, when you run the app from the command prompt, the file must be in the current folder on MATLAB, that is your MATLAB workspace. The above workflows assume that you have added code to close the UI figure window to save and run the app. Finally, you will get the, after simulation run, you will get the simulation of flight instruments component app. This is where flight instrument flight data playback UI figure. This is where aero animation, that is where flight simulation. To visualize the saved flight data, change the slider position. Here if you have to adjust the slider in the automatically the animation window, animation flight also change depending upon your variation. For example, if you turn left, it turns left. Observe the flight instruments as the aircraft changes orientation in the animation window. If you have to adjust means, you will get animated window output is in this window. Thank you.